Today, Claire and I are hanging out up on the bluff in Bluff Park, up on the edge of Shades Crest Mountain, enjoying this absolutely beautiful view. You can see for miles and miles and miles. You can actually see planes coming and going.
There's been quite a few.
It's just crazy how far you can see. But I wanted to tell people a little bit about the history. So Bluff Park, many, many moons ago in the early 1800s, it was kind of an escape from the cholera epidemic. And so people would come here and stay in these little cabins to get away from cholera. And then there was this gentleman who came and built 40 little cabins. And there were some springs that were part of the mountain side. And so there was this tale that these springs had qualities that would heal people and make them feel better. So it became a resort for the rich city folk would come and stay in these little cabins and escape the city.
Oh.
And this was kind of their resort. And so there were all these little cabins.
Wow.
So Bluff Park was kind of this little resort area.
Right.
And one of the things I really love about Bluff Park is there are any number of iconic shops, restaurants that have been here forever and ever that people just love.
So have you ever eaten at this Tip Top Grill that we're sitting in front of?
Yes, yes. So Tip Top Grill's like an experience.
Okay.
So they have, great hamburgers. It's just a grill. You get a hot dog, a hamburger, whatever.
Yeah.
But the best part is you come up here, you sit here, you enjoy the view. It's pretty cool.
I noticed as we were driving in this hardware store that we have across the street. I think it's pretty well known, right?
Yeah. And that hardware store is like your grandpa's hardware store.
Okay.
It has everything. It's like a really cool place to just go in and walk around and just so much stuff.
Sure.
But it's been here forever. And it really is one of the mainstays for Bluff Park. Everyone knows about Bluff Park Hardware.
Right. So it's pretty hot out today.
No
Tell
kidding.
me if there's something around here that we can cool off at.
Have you heard about the ice cream shop?
There's
Bluff Park Ice Cream?
There's an ice cream shop?
Oh my goodness. It's all homemade. It is to die for. It's really creamy. Every flavor under the sun. I mean, it's another one of those iconic places that's been around for a while, and everybody knows Bluff Park Ice Cream. So there's so many cool things around here. But when it comes to the housing, what people love about Bluff Park is when you buy a home here, it's not on top of your neighbor. So these homes are on much bigger lots. The houses are spread out. You typically have pretty good privacy, whether in your backyard or on your side yard. And a lot of these homes are kind of like old-time cottages. So what's happened over the years is people have bought them, they've added on, they've updated. So all these homes have a lot of character, which is really cool. And because it's on the bluff, there's lots of hills, so it creates all kinds of really cool terrain, which just makes for a fun community.
Right.
Bluff Park Elementary is a well-kept secret. The people who live in Bluff Park love Bluff Park Elementary. It's part of the Hoover School System. It has a great reputation. The teachers have been there forever, and people just love that school.
So can you tell me a little bit about the housing market in this area?
In the last 6 months, there have been 75 homes sold in Bluff Park. The average sales price is $339, so that's gone up quite a bit. Like every other area of Hoover, the average sales price has gone up a lot. And the average number of days that a home is on the market before it sells is 7. It's ridiculous.
Wow, that is fast.
Yeah. Bluff Park is one of those really cool neighborhoods that everyone wants to live in. It has a little bit of everything for everyone, different price points. So if you want to live here, if you want more information about Bluff Park, give me a shout. Happy to share. Would love to chat with you about real estate. My name is Jeannie Shea. I'm your local realtor. Call me or text me because I would love to chat with you.